Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you free Photoshop alternatives. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Number 1. Pixlr. Pixlr is a cloud-based image editor. If you are a great user of internet, then Pixlr suits you best. The best part is we can get access to some effects for free, without paying a penny. We have to take care of overloading the pictures, as it look clumsy. If you avoid the overloading, then you can do awesome edits with Pixlr. This is available of both Android and iOS. Apps don't help you much in adding Mo effects. So, better to go with the web-based tool. Highlights of Pixlr. Tool selection. Overlay text effects. Included with more than 600 effects and filters. Available in app format as well. Cropping and resizing can be done easily. Number 2. GIMP. GIMP is a well-known and most used alternative tool for Photoshop. GIMP is the abbreviated form of the new image manipulation program. It is a cross-platform image editor. The unique part of GIMP is you are allowed to change its source code to feel the difference in the UI. The interface was included within Adobe as well, so we can't separate them. You need to be a professional designer to catch the difference. Highlights of GIMP. All usual features are embedded. Color correction is its main part. Easy reach to all the tools. Plugins supported and more. Number 3. Paint.net. Paint.net is the advanced structure of Windows Paint tool. Well, you might be well known for this as it was a default image editor in the Windows operating system. It was not open for filters and effects, just basic needs to edit an image are included. If you are completely new to photography, then you can with this. Highlights of Paint.net. Basic editing options. Resizing. Cropping without compressions. Sharpening, etc. Number 4. PicMonkey. PicMonkey is one more image editor tool that is web-based. We can use filter effects which are a bit like Instagram. If you are completely new to photography world, I would like to suggest you to go with PicMonkey in your initial days. Because, it provides all the basic effects. Moreover, you are allowed to edit online. Highlights of PicMonkey. Filter specialist. Wrinkle remover. Web-based tool. Funny stickers and emojis. Number 5. Krita. Krita is one of the best image editing tools for open-source platforms like Unix, Linux, and the list goes on. We had done with some familiar tools which support the traditional OS, and some are web-based. Krita is not a single tool. It was embedded with a kit that is popularly known as Office Suite. Compared to the tools in the list, it was a bit lack in features but still worth it for open-source lovers. Highlights of Krita. Open-source tool. Primary effects are available. Strictly suggested for the Unix and Linux lovers. Number 6. Photopea. Photopea is an online and open-source photo editing site that allows you to edit photos like a pro. The interface of Photopea looks exactly similar to the interface of Adobe Photoshop. Simply, we can call Photopea as the online version of Photoshop. It supports various file formats to import and edit. Highlights of Photopea. Simple interface. No download or installation is required. Allows importing files from Google Drive. Huge PSD template library. Number 7. Fotor. Fotor is an online and open-source photo editing tool that helps you to edit the photos. This has a clean and easy-to-use editing workspace. It provides a lot of inbuilt templates, presets, and much more. You can edit a photo, create a design, and make a collage using the Fotor. This is compatible with both PC and mobile devices. Even it provides detailed tutorials to help you in each step of photo editing. Highlights of Fotor. Easy to use. Clean and professional workspace. Provides tutorials. Available for free. Compatible with PC and mobile devices. Number 8. Canva. Canva is a famous photo editing tool that has a huge fan base across the globe. This provides lots of free templates, elements, text effects, and much more. You can modify and edit the templates and photos as you like. In recent times, freelancers are using Canva to generate money in huge amounts. It provides inbuilt preset sizes for easy creation and editing. This is available on various platforms like web and application. It has both free and premium elements to use. In my opinion, the free version is more than enough to edit photos. Highlights of Canva. Powerful tools. Simple editing process. Availability of built-in preset sizes. Allows to export the output in various file formats. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.